Guys, in this video I will show you how to get Avatar World++ hack and mod application for your mobile device. How it works is very easy. After install, open it, and this mod menu is updated and have a lot of features like unlimited everything, unlock, free shopping, unlock all places, characters, and much more. So, how to get this mod menu for your mobile device? To get Avatar World++ application, just open your browser and follow me. In the search bar, type is the Avatar World. Press install. Now wait to finish this process. After finish of installation this process, Avatar World++ application will be installed. The process is completed. This is last step for my mobile device. Avatar World++ application is fully installed. Thank you for watching.